All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do the Desmos calculator for matrices. So I put a link in Google Classroom. Let's go ahead and click that link to open it up, and I will show you how to use it. I'm going to do the number 2 problem from your notes page. So you start by clicking New Matrix, and it's going to be called A, and you can down here edit, and it was a 3 by 3 is the one that we did. So you're going to go ahead and put in the numbers. So we're going to do -3, 1, -8 first. So -3, 1, 8. Then I'm going to go back to see what the other numbers were. Oh, it was a -8, so I need to fix that. And then 1, -2, 1. So fix that -8, and then 1, -2, 1. And then the bottom row is going to be 2, -2, 5. 2, -2, and then 5. And we're going to leave it just like that. We're not going to put a -1 on it, so we're just going to hit enter for there. So we have that first matrix. Then we're going to make a new matrix for our numbers. This one was a 3-row, but only 1 column. And we're going to put our totals there, which in this case was 18, -11, and -17. 18, -11, and -17. And then I'm going to hit enter for that new matrix. Okay, once you have both matrices, we're going to say A for the A matrix, and then I'm going to hit the -1. So I'm going to say the inverse of that first matrix times B, and that's the inverse, or that's the B matrix. So basically it's like what we were doing in class, but they're pulling from the matrices there. And then as you notice over here on the left, we have our answers. -2, 4, -1. And if we go back to the example, that's what we got, -2, 4, -1. So that is how you can use the matrix on Desmos. You set your 2 matrices, and then you do this operation. If you have any more questions, make sure you ask during class.